Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the YouTube app on the TV and tapping the profile icon. This is the entry point. Once done, pick Add Account or Use Guest if shown, and make sure your secondary device is on the same Wi-Fi so pairing works. You'll sometimes see a QR code or an activation key on screen. Use your phone's camera or the keyboard field to enter it. This quickly sets a temporary session without changing the main account. Next, pair the devices by scanning the QR code or going to YouTube. com/activate and typing the code you see on the TV. This links the session. You choose Continue as Guest to avoid saving watch history to the primary account, and make sure location and playback permissions are accepted so videos play smoothly. If the TV asks which account to use, explicitly pick the guest option. This creates a temporary profile that ends when you sign out or the session times out. To finish, sign out from the guest profile on the TV so it clears temporary data and watch history. This keeps the main account clean. If pairing fails, restart the TV and your phone, and if needed, power cycle the router to fix network glitches, then reattempt activation. Make sure the YouTube app is updated. If app issues persist, cast from the phone's YouTube app or use the TV's browser to access YouTube as a reliable fallback.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.